Hello my friends, so I am new to Clickbank. This video I am going to talk about Clickbank, and I am new to Clickbank. I just create my Clickbank account before 2 weeks. Yeah, before 2 weeks. So I think Clickbank is best way to find money and best way to earn money with low amount of work, and it is easy to find money. But still I didn't make any money from Clickbank. I need to 100% transparent with you. So I tried to I tried some methods to earn money from Clickbank, but those methods never work. So I checked lot of YouTube videos, and I found one guy tell how to earn easy way to earn Clickbank money using Pinterest, something like that. I don't want to mention this video or mention that person. He tell how to earn money without doing any work. So I tried it. I just create Pinterest account, and his concept is go to Pinterest, and he has message template. So put my link on his message template and send DM to all members on the Pinterest who interested about entrepreneurship, motivation, and something like that. So I do the same. I just create a Pinterest account and I put my link on that message. After that I check the people who love to I think motivational thing or motivational quote. So if someone comment to motivational post or motivational quote, I just go to his profile and send DM direct message to that person, said check this product or something like that. So I do it for like 10 papers, and then I go to bed. I went to bed. So next day I check my account. So Pinterest suspend my account, so I never get that account again. So that is the fail way, and there has no easy or there no shortcut to find money on online. By the way, I found best 2 YouTubers who talk about online money and Clickbank. So I found their work and their methods. Those methods are there has free and paid methods, so those methods are really successful. I think those methods will be work, but still I didn't make any money, but I follow those methods. So first account is Daryl Jones. I'm sorry, I don't know this name correct or not. I will put the link on description. It's it's Trail Jones. Just check his videos. Really great content, really helpful. And next one is Michelle Olivier. So I will put that link on description too. So those guys talk about the Clickbank and methods to make money on Clickbank. So far those methods are work. I didn't make any money. I need to be clear about this. I just do this for like 2-3 days. So I will test this, and I will show you step by step what I did to make money, if I make money from Clickbank. So definitely check those accounts. So yeah, I will start Clickbank, and I have some ideas about videos. So yeah, I will add those videos as soon as possible when I earn any money on Clickbank. Okay, I will see you in next video. Just check those guys, and yeah, I will see you in next one. Bye bye.